Welcome to BCB Farms, a modern poultry farm located in the United States. From hatching and breeding to processing and sales, we have built a complete, integrated supply chain and are committed to providing safe, healthy, and high-quality poultry products to customers around the world. At BCB Farms, we utilize an intelligent farming management system to scientifically control temperature, humidity, and stocking density, ensuring that every bird grows in a comfortable and healthy environment. Our farms pass strict quality inspection and hygiene standards to ensure that our products are fresh, controllable, and environmentally friendly from source to table. We achieve full traceability from farm to table, giving consumers greater peace of mind. Whether retailers, wholesalers, or food processors, we can provide high-quality and sustainable supply solutions. BCB Farms, using modern farming technology, we bring the gifts of nature to every home. Let us work together to create a healthy and sustainable future.